Hello Eagles, how is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. So today I wanted to talk about budgeting using the envelope system. So budgeting using we are going to use the envelope system to budget. And a budget is basically a roadmap of how you will use your money. Many of you are working, you're employed, and when you get that paycheck, you need to allocate it. You need to tell your money what to do and where to go. Otherwise, money has a mind of its own. It will come up with all ideas on how to spend it, and some of them won't be on your list.